Hey guys, it's Alicia and I cannot believe it, but this video is my 1 month update getting my Microlocs. 1 month. If you want to hear a little bit about my journey so far, hear me answer some of the most asked questions about my journey so far, make sure that you stay tuned. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and share this video if you like it. Okay, so number one, I feel like I just did this. Like I just started my journey. I mean, it's still the beginning, but it doesn't feel like a month has passed by already or 4 weeks. So that's pretty amazing. That must mean that I'm having fun. So my locaversary is July 24th, 2020. I'm going to keep that in mind so that I celebrate, get ready for that 1 year, which I'm sure is going to come before I know it. I started my Microlocs by doing mini twist. If you've followed my loose natural hair journey, then you know I am huge on mini twists, so I figured that would be the easiest way for me to start this journey. Also, I couldn't see, my entire journey has been DIY, and so I really couldn't see myself going somewhere else for someone to start this journey for me. I knew that I wanted to control everything that happened, and I knew that I would want to do my own maintenance, so it was a perfect choice for me. When I did my mini twist, I did not use any hair product. I just used water. I don't have any specific type of grid in my hair. I did part my hair in a certain way, but it was just to make it easier for me to get through all of the hair. It took me 4 days to do my hair, about 4 hours each day. So I would say about 16 to 17 hours total to complete my hair. I worked during the week and I was working on it in the middle of the week. So I had to wait until I was done with work. I work from home, which is great, but I wanted to wait until after I finished work to work on it. And I told myself, once you start getting tired, which was after that 4-hour mark, go ahead and stop, because I knew that I would start to do them bigger than what I wanted them. So I stayed pretty consistent with doing about 4 hours a day. When I finished, I did do a lock count, and I put up a video of me actually doing the count, and I have about 540 locks. What I love about my Microlocs, I just love the ease of it. I did an Instagram video where I just feel like I can hop out of bed and I'm ready. I wear my hair at night in like a little high bun, so when I take it down, I have a little bit of a wave. I literally feel like I'm shaking and go. I'm like, okay, the wash and go, you gotta go through a little bit to master that, but this is truly just shake and go. So I'm here for it. That is what I'm looking for. What I hate about, I can't say I hate anything at this point. I don't really hate anything yet. I don't think I've been in the journey long enough to have huge struggles with it. I don't know if you can see when I get up close, it's time for me to refresh my hair. So I do have a good amount of frizz and things like that. So I have been pretty strategic with putting curls in my hair so that my hair looks the way that I want to and I present a certain way. But I don't hate that. I went through that with being a loose natural. I didn't look for my hair to be perfect. So, and I definitely did not expect that in this journey. So I don't know if I necessarily hate anything yet. I have not experienced any bunching yet. The only thing that I have experienced though is slippage, which I'm not surprised. I have slippage in the back here, which I believe is probably pretty consistent. I work out, I sweat back there. And I remember with my sister, she has traditional locks. That is where she had her slippage. Every time that I went to retwist her hair, she had slippage in the back. So I have not done my first shampoo and I have not done my first retie. My hair has been wet because I have been using a spray with water, regular water, rose water, and a little bit of oil. And I've pretty much soaked my hair up, but I have not actually shampooed my hair. I'm trying to wait about 6 weeks, so it'll be another 2 weeks before I do my first shampoo. And I'm really doing that because I want to get back to my normal schedule of like the first week of each month doing my shampoos. When I do my first shampoo, I am going to do my retwist. I am not going to be interlocking. I am not palm rolling. I'm going to be using a different method of retwisting they call finger twisting. So kind of like if you're doing little coils in your hair. So there's not jerking, pulling, it's not going to be too tight. But doing this, my locks are way too tiny to be doing that. And as they mature and grow, I can definitely see pulling out some locks using that method. So I will be retwisting, I'm not interlocking, and I will be finger twisting. Now, at first I was a little bit hesitant because I did get feedback about it from some people. And so I'm here for it all the feedback, because this is new for me. So I want to hear everyone's opinions and everyone's experience. It's only going to help. So I decided to get me an interlocking tool just so that I can experience it. So I am for sure that I don't want to interlock my hair. I tried the interlocking and I didn't like the experience. I felt like I would not enjoy this long term. And I know that I could go to an expert, but that is very different from how I've imagined my journey. So I am going to try the retwisting method. I will do a video to show you guys how I do it. I've actually done a few test locks. So I am also interested. Someone said, I'm interested in seeing how this goes, Alicia, with this retwisting, honey. I'm interested too. So we will see. I am going to do the 360 so you guys can take a look at my hair. Right now, as you see, I have in some curls that I made from a Bantu knot. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure if you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget about under the video in the description box, I do have a table of contents. That way you can go back to some of your favorite areas or areas that were important to you. I appreciate you guys for watching. Bye.